7 days of full premium access to the most powerful AI crypto trading bot for free, no commitment. You don't need to put in any details, cards, emails, anything like that. If you're already a CoinGPT user, you'll know that it is by far the leading crypto trading tool when it comes down to AI trade signals. And let's talk together how this powerful AI tool can help you be a more profitable trader using the premium version as a 7-day free trial on CoinGPT. If you're not already a user, the link is in the description below to open up the bot. And then you're going to simply go to the menu here and scroll down to where it says upgrade. So if you don't already know, there is a free version of CoinGPT and it's very powerful, and I suggest to check out my other video on free versus the premium version, because the free version alone is actually going to be very valuable for a lot of people. But in this case, we're going to activate the premium pass 7-day free trial, which removes all limitations of the bot and means that you can get really the most out of this bot. So this is a video really how to get the most out of the 7-day free trial. So we're going to press activate premium pass. You are now on the unlimited plan. Enjoy your 7 days of full access. Easy as that. No card details, no email. And it's going to say you'll return a free basic plan after the 7 days. So I can now analyze all time frames, all coins, and I'm going to show you how to get the best value. So the main value here is, like it says, is the fact that there is no analyze limit. So going to the analyze menu, CoinGPT allows you to analyze coins with AI in real time. So for example, let's do BNB. So we're now analyzing without the 30-day limit. The limit is used every time you analyze a coin, change time frame, or use some of the search features like the scanner, categories, gainers. And by the way, I have videos as part of this series on these as well. I suggest to check it out if you want to learn more. But there's no limit on the coins. There's also no limit on the time frame. So 1 minute and 5 minute was blocked before, essentially, because they're available only on the Pro and Unlimited plan. If you want to learn more about the plans, there is a link below. You can check it out. But for now, they are the main ones. But in addition, you also now do not have any limitations on the alerts feature, which is a super powerful tool because it allows you to set alerts when the best time to buy and sell these coins are. So again, I'll use BNB just as an example. On the 1 hour time frame, we're getting a long signal here. But let's say I want to be alerted when a good time to sell would be. So I'm going to put a set indicator alert. You can't do this on the freemium version much. You can only set 3 coin alerts and only 1 scanner alert. I'll show you the scanner in a minute. But let's say, for example, we wanted to know when the RSI was oversold on the 1 hour. So now I'm going to be notified when that condition is met. Equally, I could head to the scanner feature and I could be alerted when all coins meet a certain condition. So for example, on the 1 hour time frame, and you can only do 1 of these alerts on free. Unlimited is Unlimited Alerts Pro. You actually get 25. So let's say RSI oversold. Now I'm going to get an alert notification as soon as any coin meets the 1 hour oversold condition. So I can be super quick to trading that coin. The other cool thing is, and going back to the BNB example, now I have a 7-day free trial. I can set up the auto trade feature. To do that, you simply scroll down, go to auto trade and follow the instructions to connect CoinGPT securely to your favorite exchange, whether it's Bybit, Binance, 𝗖𝗄𝗆, or any other platform. And you can do a 1-click trade. And that's going to send this signal here, along with my take profit and stop loss, to my exchange with 1 click. Don't believe me? Let me show you. So I'm using it with Bybit, just as an example. You can see here, currently, I might need to unlock it. There we go. You can see currently I don't have a trade open, but I've got this trade signal here from CoinGPT. 1 click, auto trade. Okay, it's asking me to follow the steps. If you haven't set up the auto trade, let me log into my other account that is connected. So you can see currently I've got no trades open in my Bybit account, and using the trade signal and the 1-click feature, it's going to send this trade along with the stop loss and the take profit level. Don't believe me? Well, let's have a look. 1 click, take trade now. Position of BNB opened successfully. Going to my Bybit account. And there we go. The position is open along with the take profit and stop loss order. I can set it, forget it. And the cool thing is, in addition to that, I can go to my auto trade settings and I can even see the open positions. I could see previous close positions. I can see current balance, set my leverage, and set the balance percentage that I want to use as well. So that is another very cool feature. And now I'm actually using a more advanced AI as well, being on the free trial premium version. So they are the main things. To run through those again, the main features that you should try using the free trial are you can analyze as much as you want. There's no longer that 30-day limit. You can do all cryptocurrencies, not just 300. You can actually analyze over 1,500 coins. Not only do you have the limitations of the time frames before, because before it was the 15-minute and up. Now I can analyze on the 1 minute and the 5-minute time frame as well. These were blocked before. I've got coin alerts, I've got scanner alerts, I've got auto trade features, and much more. If you go to the description down below, you can see the plans and see what's included and what's not included as well. Feel free to stay around to watch all the other features of the CoinGPT Telegram bot so you can start making great profitability trades using AI. Thanks for watching and see you on another one soon. Bye bye.